looks little outrageous, but we don't have any space to keep our jacket. That's why we are wearing. It's just 7 degree right now in Rishikesh. Just vacated from the room and we are trying to get some breakfast. So after breakfast, going to Rishikesh. So let's see what we have for breakfast. So this is where we're gonna have our breakfast. This is their kitchen. It's so clean actually. I didn't expect this much. So we are going to have rajma chawal, and I'm gonna get jeera rice and dal makhani. Just check out our breakfast. This is my breakfast today. See how delicious and hot it is. I have roti here, chawal hai, then I have rajma, then here I have dal makhani. I'm gonna have it too. It was delicious actually. We are done with our breakfast and now we are heading to Rishikesh. Just the shadow. You can spot it everywhere and it's very frequent. It's just 60 rupees per person. So they dropped us here in Rishikesh. So this is the last point, the last dropping point to Rishikesh, and from here we need to go again to Lakshman Jhala, then Tapovan and all these places are there. So we are going to Lakshman Jhala right now, and we have planned to take bike rental this time to Ramjala. There we have booked the room. So from there we will be taking bike rent. They are charging 50 rupees per person, but in the system they are charging only 20 rupees. So this is the best option, and it's nearby. Just is that less than 2 kilometers. Ramjala now. So it costed a total of 80 rupees from Haridwar to Ramjala. Here we are taking bike for rental. So here they are giving all other activities as well, rafting, bungee jumping, all sort of activities. 350 for a scooter, but we have to return it by today 8 p.m. So till 8 p.m. it is 350. If we wanna extend, or if we wanna give it back by tomorrow 10:30 a.m., then they are charging 1000 rupees. So you have to fill this form. Need to give 1000 rupees as security deposit and 350 for bike. So it's always better you take a video of the vehicle once you get it from them, in front of them itself. It's for your safety, because once you return it, if they claim something, then you need to have proof. Okay. So we got our bikes. It's a better option here to roam. Even the tuk-tuk and everything, it costs anyways around 500 per day in the total. So it's always better to get a scooter or bike based on your convenience. Where we're gonna stay. Toaster. Get private rooms as well as your dorm rooms are available. We took the private room and it is for 1200. So anyways, for one person the dorm room they are charging us 600 to 700. So I thought, so we are invest too, and we thought why not, it's anyways the same budget. It's giving nice suggestions where we can visit here. So this is Pawan, he is in charge here. This is the room. At 5 p.m. And it costs 30 rupees for one person. With you because it's too hot. I'm wearing this sweatshirt and I'm sweating like anything. So my suggestion is please do have a simple t-shirt spare with you all the time, because morning and evening this will help you, but in between of course you should have a normal thin t-shirt. So this is the Bhutnath temple. Near the Lord Shiva statue, the big one here. Either you can walk or take the bikes inside. Paramath Ashram here. So I'll show you that. This is the famous statue here. And you have the pure Ganga here. You can stay. They are providing restaurants as well as rooms. So if you want, you can stay here as well. So where we are in Hideout, nice cafe in Rishikesh. You can check it when you are here. It is actually a hidden cafe here in Rishikesh. Come, let's check out how is the cafe. Hidden gem in Rishikesh. You just can check it out. It is near the Marine Drive. So not only you have a river view, the cafe itself is so wonderful. It's so cute. Dehradun. Yes, we are leaving Rishikesh now and going to Dehradun. So it will take approximately of 1 hour to Dehradun from Rishikesh.